Today we are going to be demonstrating how to install the STASMS student management software on your Windows computer. So okay, now we notice here that I have my setup file here on my computer, which means I already have my school running and my account, my software installed on my computer, and I already have my account. So first thing, before I have a STASMS setup, you need to sign up Softtech official website, which is free. Creating an account there is completely free, as in free. So you have to visit the official website, not the website of the software, but the official website of the software owners, which is Softtech. So in this case, Softtech. All right. So click here. Now you have to if you have your account already, you can click here to log in your account and get your stuff or keep in touch or support or whatsoever. And if you don't, you have to just click it in here to sign up and research school. So to research school, create an account, as I said, is completely free. You need to name, email address, or your institute name as a college, or is it just primary school, secondary school, or university, and a lot more. Then include your mobile number so they can keep in touch with you. It's also used for verification of your account. Then you include now your logo, your school logo is another way to verify your school where it's located, and not if it's unique, in case someone else comes with that same information. All right, then your password, you're gonna use that when you have your account installed, your software, your computer, you'll use that to log in. So, and in case you change anything or modifications, it will happen with the official website. So I'm not gonna do that here because I already have my account running and I have a software, so I'm not going to create that bit. Now in your case, you just have to go and sign up to have your coverage. And remember, when you sign up on your account, it will take some time, probably sometime 24 hours to verify your account, to know your where it's located and everything about your school. And once the software verifies your account, and you will generate everything you will need to run your school with their software. All right, so in this case, I'm going to close that here now. And as I said, I have my file here. As you can see, my setup file. I'm going to configure here in the UK. I want to go for English. So now you notice that we have a first language. The first language that depends on the countries that are using the software. So in the case of Cameroon, we're going to use English language or French language. So in case I'm going to move to English language. And okay, I'm back to Forest. 3 years. So welcome to STASMS. As starter, you will be prompted to select the further away the application will be installed. So in this case here, it means that the previous in the next page they're going to give you direction where if you want your software to be installed. And in case you don't want it, you can choose other directories if you want, but there are default directories. So in this case, I'm going to click next and get in a license, and if you set that, just click yes to go forward. And as I said, you have now where you want your software to be installed. If in case you don't want it to be installed on a default program files, you have to browse where you want to install. You can install it on the download and maybe anywhere. So in this case, I'm just going to move for the default directory. All right, so there is already a file with the same name in the destination folder. Yeah, as I said, I already have this stuff running on my computer, and there school's running, and I already have it working. So that's why I have this pop-up message that I already have this software in my computer. So do I want to override it or want to skip that? So I'll just kind of override it for now, not skip that. But in your case, you will have a message like that because you may use it first time, unless you want to reinstall, then you have the first issue like that. So you can just override or just skip it anyway. So operation successful STASMS was successfully installed as well. Now, when you click that, now you notice we have okay, it's okay, completely. So you notice we have now we see we have our shortcuts right here. So I'm going to click there, and boom, I have my software rerun on my computer. Okay, so okay, now get with the software that on page. So here you have it's kind of pre-understanding and very simple to understand. You notice how we have a little bit near the forward and backward button. You got to print it from the landing page as well. And the home button should, in case you have a tabs doing, so you can just get there immediately without hitting tabs and other stuff. So I also have the files here you can print, and in case the font is very small, you can zoom it out for it to be bigger. You can keep zooming out for it to be kind of bigger, and in case you can just do a reset so, and everything's fine. So now having your account in there, having that you create your account in this of your website, so it's free, and I just get a login here. with your account. And okay, in my case here, I've been on. All right, let's get the button here, and you'll be redirected to your boom, and you now have your software running for you to manage your scope trigger. So you notice now that we have these things. So in case you're doing something kind of complex and you don't want to keep your page low, so you can just like get it all. Get just the home button and you're that's okay. And you can now just like put the computer. That's pretty good. And coming by the next time, you just like get there and get me back in. Pretty good. So we have the dashboard for the software, STASMS software. You notice that we have a live chat here, but you can communicate in case you have a multiple administrators. The account here being connected together is one of the advantage why we use a software that was online, so that you can have multiple users at a time to communicate to better manage students. And we have a statistics of SMS share in case you are to subscribe for the SMS bundle, that whenever you have a student register, then a message should be sent to the parents whenever there's a release of anything like a report or anything, or whenever the software finds out the school is running on a lost or the profit, they're going to give you a SMS that, okay, according to the base transaction that have been going on in your school, you're on a loss and you're on a profit. So that's how it works. And you have a quick student access. You see here we have a student, and well, receive fee. If I'm the student in this case, like maybe there's an urgency and you don't have to like go to the student list, try to get a student class. No, of course, using your student ID number or ID card. I listed the 5 student with student ID card there. Being that we have one student registered here, I'm gonna try it to work at 1000. Is it 1001 student I have? Okay, let's try 101. All right, I see bring us to student profile. Now we have access to the student uniquely. We notice that the student ID number and student name is Sama Prince Royal or Nisi, and that's all. So that in this case, that's how it works. So, but to Sophies, the principal officer whatsoever. So now I'm gonna stop this tutorial now. Thank you for watching, and please stay tuned, subscribe so that in our next videos, working on other features of a software like the ID card and the printing school fees and other things, you're going to see how that works. So thank you and see you later.